Craving a soup that's been warming hearts for centuries? Let's talk chicken corn soup. This savory delight hails from ancient China, where it's been a comfort food for centuries. The magic starts with a rich, aromatic broth infused with ginger and garlic. Add in sweet corn, fresh, canned or creamed, and shredded chicken for that hearty goodness. But wait, there's more. Some recipes call for a swirl of beaten egg, creating delicate ribbons that dance in your bowl. Thickened with cornstarch and seasoned with soy sauce, salt and pepper, this soup is a flavor bomb. Chicken corn soup has traveled the globe, with each culture adding its own twist. From Chinese-American eateries to your own kitchen, it's a dish that's simple to make and hard to resist. So, next time you're sipping on this soup, remember, you're tasting a piece of history.